This is a Revit tutorial on how to create a curtain wall. Now there's a couple ways we could approach this. We can either cut a hole in the side of the wall, or we can just embed a curtain wall straight into this exterior here. We're going to do the simplest method first by going to our first floor and going under the architecture tab to wall, and then in your properties bar you go and select curtain wall. Now if you scroll in, you'll see these different lines here indicating the different materials you have. If these are not appearing, go to this little tiny button here that says detail level and select fine. So then these lines will appear. What you need to do is select one of the most outer lines and drag a curtain wall. Click and hit escape. So now it's automatically embedded a curtain wall into that exterior there. So we can go back to our western view and see our curtain wall we just put in. Like most things in Revit, you can click on the numbers and change how long it is. So I'm going to change this to 22 feet and this to 25 feet tall. So I'm going to move this over, make that 6 feet. So now that I've added all the dimensions I want to this wall, I'm going to show you the second method of making a curtain wall. I'm going to select this exterior, click Edit Profile. Now, like when we were making walls and floors, we have the draw tools again. So I'm going to use the rectangle and draw floor. This is going to be 25 feet tall and 22 feet wide. Okay. And just like when we were making floors, you need to push the green check mark to complete this tool. Now, we have one more step to make this opening a curtain wall. We go back to our first floor and select wall. Make sure your curtain wall is selected and drop in your curtain wall and hit escape. Now you get back to Western view and you see that this is our curtain wall and there is our opening. So we have to drag this curtain wall to fill that hole. So now it appears that these two types are exactly the same. The only difference is if I delete this one, there's still a hole cut out in that wall. But if I delete this one, it automatically fills that wall back in. So I would suggest the easiest way just about it is going to your first floor view and just dropping a curtain wall in. So now there is that curtain wall we just made. In the next video, we'll go over how to add mullions like you see in these windows here.